Good day, today we look at tooltips. For this however we are not using the built-in tooltip for Vuetify but MicroTip. This is easier to apply to any element as you just specify the attributes. One can have a tool type on either side of a component. Here we see tooltips on the left, right, bottom, top, bottom left, bottom right, top left and top right. On the source code side, all we do is just set attributes to the element we want to have a tooltip. In our app, we have added buttons and then called the methods to apply the tooltips. This then feeds back to how our app works.